Now, new hope this morning for struggling New York City restaurants. Governor Cuomo says he'll soon release a plan that allows restaurants to resume limited indoor dining.
The move comes amid concerns about vaccine distribution and the spread of a new COVID variant. CBS News' John Diaz joins us live from Hell's Kitchen with more. John?
Yeah, good morning, Chris. Good morning, Mary, and everyone in the restaurant industry here in New York City awaiting this announcement. We know it will be coming soon, but what we still do not know is when exactly this new rule will take effect.
This morning, New York City restaurant owners and workers are feeling hopeful, since as early as tomorrow, Governor Andrew Cuomo says he'll have a plan in place to let them resume limited indoor dining, expected to be 25% capacity.
I fully understand how difficult it is that they are closed, not just for the restaurants, but all the people who are employed there.
With COVID spiking, Governor Cuomo closed New York City restaurants to indoor dining on December 14th. So many New Yorkers have been dining outside, now eager for this change.
I think that's a wonderful idea because we're a little cold out here.
The owner of Mario's restaurant in the Bronx said she would have preferred to match the suburbs at 50%, but
I'll take 25%. We have Valentine's Day coming. We need to open up back inside. We got to show some love. It's a gift to the restaurants, to lovers, to everybody.
This comes as at least one New York City vaccination site is changing its policies after people from the suburbs unable to get vaccines in their own town have been making trips to the Washington Heights Armory Vaccination Center, filling up spots at a location set up to combat inequalities in vaccine distribution. Effective immediately, 100% of new appointments at the Armory will be for New York City residents, with at least 60% of those slots reserved for eligible residents of Washington Heights, Inwood, Northern and Central Harlem, and South Bronx communities. All existing appointments will still be honored.
The whole system is just totally chaotic. They might just as well have done a lottery.
State leaders also continuing to warn about the spread of the UK strain. Additional cases have been found in New York State, bringing the total to 42. And New Jersey health officials reported 6 new cases of the variant, bringing the total in the state to 8, 1 deadly.
4 have occurred in Ocean County, 2 in Essex, and 2 in Morris County. Ages of those affected range from 10 years of age to 65. 1 individual had an international travel history, and there has been 1 death of an individual with this variant. However, that individual did have significant underlying conditions.
And back here in New York, Governor Andrew Cuomo has lifted most of the orange and yellow microclusters across the state. However, though, that does not except for a few yellow zones in New York as well as in Orange County. We're live this morning from Hell's Kitchen. John Diaz, CBS.